On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, we'll be doing something a bit different, okay? We'll be doing an unboxing of my favorite kitchen, whatever stuff. But let me pause right here to say special thanks to my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description of this and all my other videos. Post notification shoutouts today goes right up there. So now let us go into this little unboxing. I'll be unboxing for you 2 kettles. And yes, they are no promo. They are what I use my money to buy. Okay? So I'm going to go with the smaller one first. And also, I'm not just going to be unboxing. I'm going to share with you when I get new kettles, new pots, or anything for the kitchen, how I treat them before I start using them officially. So let's get right off. This is one. I have removed them from the shipping boxes, but I've actually not removed them from the boxes that they actually came in. So I saw them when I bought them online, but I have no clue of what they look like. I'll just be seeing it for the first time, just as you. So let's get into this one first. So, yep. Okay, so this one came like this. It's this little cover here. It's more like an enamel. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's smooth. This is the cover. Enamel right in here. Pretty nice. The color, I really like it. The print, I'm not a print person. And actually, I think this, no, it's not my first. I am not a print person, but I don't know. This one caught my eye. So that's the cover. And yeah, that's it. This is the bottom, the kettle of itself. So pretty well, I would say, Inco, pretty well packaged. This is right here. I might have to get my, let me get my scissors. Oh yes, so this came to protect the handle. And I would say, pretty well packaged. Yes, and this protects the spout too. So, let me show you on the inside. I think this is the firmness of the handle. I think I'm okay with it. Whoops. So let us, ooh, why am I'm nervous. This is what it looks like. I saw it, if you notice right here is a dip. I think right here is porcelain. Here is enamel. But I think it did say there was no brochure inside here. No, I don't see any. But I think it's pretty cute. What are your thoughts, Cole?
Yeah, it's nice. I like the color.
Yeah, I didn't want it. I am not by any means displeased. I'm okay with it. Leave me your comments below. I'll leave the link for you in the description in case you want to know. Okay? So this is what it looks like. I was really taken by this print. I don't know why. And the thing is, I saw it online and I was looking through because I said, Lord, a long time I buy myself a kicker. So let me get myself a kicker. I saw this and then I looked at it and then I said, let me put it in the cart. Then I put it in the cart and then a few days when I went back, I realized the thing is gonna be sold out. So I said, no man, let me catch this. And within like 2 or 3 hours after I bought it, it was all sold out. I think it's cute. But look here, the amount of tamarind we got through for reach at Jamaica, I think I'm good. Leave me your comments below. If you like this, I'm good with it. Because you know, sometimes you go online and you buy stuff and when you get them, you have disappointments. But I don't think I have any disappointment with this one so far. Oh. Let's get it out of the way. Now this was one that took forever to come. It took for, I can't understand how this one would come with this, because this one was bought like from ever at one point. I think I would not be getting it. Okay, so let's go into this one. Remember, I'm seeing it for the first just as you. Okay, so this is a different packaging. So let's go. Guess the color. I know by the time you see it and you come in the comment section, you're gonna say, yes, that was the color. But I should have been doing it live and asked you to guess the color. This was one I looked at. I've been looking at this forever. It ran out of stock. It was sold out, and it came back. So let's see if I got everything. I was really anticipating this one. What's the color? The colores. Voila. Voila, voila, voila. Voila, voila. Okay. So, this one has a little brochure. I have to read the brochure. Ooh. Voila. Look at this. I think this is even more cooler than what I anticipated. This is, it has blown me away. I'm telling you, I'm so thrilled. Comment. This one is pretty cool. This doesn't have a brand. This doesn't have a name, right? I don't remember because I don't see it. This one is, the brand is Chantal. I'm not doing any promo, but it's Chantal. Wow, it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna, wow, this, let me get this little thing cut. Yeah, you know, they have this little thing. This is it. But you can comment as you go along, and I leave for you in the description the link. So you want to treat yourself, you can treat yourself. This is the, it's pretty weighty too. Ooh, let's open this. Yeah. The eye-catching part for me on this one was right here and right there. Okay, so let me show you both of them together. You're gonna tell me which one is your favorite and all of that. I'm gonna leave the link, make you go check it out, and if you want to get yourself one, you can get yourself one. Unboxing out of the way. Now, when I get new kettles, new pots, new anything, the first thing I do, I wash them. They always say wash them with warm soapy water. I always wash with a little, just cold water, a little dish soap, and a thick bit of vinegar. Now, I'm going to do just that and come back to you. But now I forgot to put that on camera because you all know for wash your stuff. But there is a step that I always include, and that is what I don't want you to not see. I want you to see that that is the most step. That is the most important step to me, and I want to show it to you because I want to encourage you that you must do that too. Now, you know kettles whistle. I've got here a few kettles. They have unique sounds, very different from the regular different. So we're gonna wash these. We're gonna come back and I'll meet you at the stove and let's see what happens. Okay, so we are at the stove right now and I have washed them. Now this process is a sterilization process for me with all of my everything that I buy, all my kettles, all my pots. I always put them through this process. Also with the kettles while sterilizing them. Let me get my flame on. This is not a big kettle, so I'll use this burner. This is a, no, yeah. So the thing about some of these kettles, you can't put water or liquid past a certain space in there, because for one, I'm not sure about this, for one with like these, they won't whistle. And when they do whistle, I'm hoping, I am just thinking that this one will have not a regular whistling. This may whistle as it may not. I'm not sure if this whistle. I don't remember when I was reading up. But I'm going to leave them to come to a boil. And I will let it whistle for you if it is whistling, just for the sake of the video. But normally when it starts boiling, as I'm going to be doing, I am going to be, as it starts to boil, I'm going to turn the flame down and leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes to let that heat, the boiling and the steaming and everything coming up, let it go right through it. That is how I do it with all those manufacturing and everything. Some of them, everything, you know, it's a new thing. So I always let, when it starts boiling, I always let it stay there for about 7 to, I'd say 7 minutes. And as it starts boiling, I turn the flame down and let that steam go right through everything. And then I know that I am okay. That is how I sterilize. I don't just wash, I sterilize. I use that heat treatment. So we're going to leave them there in the next clip. I will let you know, or I'll show you if it whistles and the sound that it has. But I'm looking for this to have a different sound. I may be incorrect. I'm not sure. Next clip. So there we go, this one. I'm disappointed. This is the regular whistling. I was looking for that special sound, but it's okay. So you see, this is on point, regular whistling. What I want to do now, I want to just turn it down and let it stay there as it steams and goes through to the lowest. I'm going to leave it for about 7 minutes to let all that steam build up, and it's sterilizing it. I don't know about this one. I turned it down, so I'm going to turn it up a bit to see how it goes. I don't know if it's because it's on a low burner. I'm not sure about this one, because this one is more like a little teapot thing, so I don't know. Okay, so this one actually doesn't whistle. You see the steam coming out, but camera girl, it's like a teapot. I know it's definitely a teapot, so you can probably just lift your handle up, lift your top off, put in your stuff. But I think I have one. I think I threw it out after some time, but it did whistle. But it doesn't whistle early. It takes long. I don't know if I put too much water, but this is it. This is at its peak and it's not making any sound. So this is more like a teapot, I know that. So I'm gonna turn it down, turn back this one on. Like I was thinking that if it was gonna make a sound, you would have heard it. Oh, so that's the one. So that's this yarn. This one here whistles. This one you don't have to use a mitten or anything. This one you definitely have to. So this one is like a plus, you know. Like that. So this is where we'll end it. I'll continue to let them sterilize, and that's it. As soon as I sterilize, I just pour it out through the spout, and then that heat just do everything, and then from there I start making my tea. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Remember to thumbs up the videos. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what are your thoughts, which is your favorite, and I will leave for you in the description that you can go check it out. And if you'd like to have one, get a pot to match and just do your thing. Thanks for watching.